Hey everyone! Ever wondered why Dodge and Chrysler vehicles require ATF+4 transmission fluid instead of regular ATF? Well, in just 2 minutes, I'll break it down for you. ATF+4 is not just any transmission fluid. It's a fully synthetic, high-performance fluid designed specifically for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. But what makes it special? First up, friction modifiers. ATF+4 is formulated to reduce wear, improve shifting, and extend transmission life. Regular ATF fluids don't have the same level of friction stability. Next, heat resistance. ATF+4 withstands higher temperatures, meaning less breakdown over time. That's crucial for towing, hauling, and stop-and-go traffic. Another big deal? Shear stability, which means it keeps its viscosity and performance longer, unlike cheaper fluids that thin out and cause transmission damage. Here's the most important part. Using non-ATF+4 fluids in a Chrysler transmission can cause slipping, overheating, and long-term damage. So, always stick to the recommended fluid. So there it is. ATF+4 is the only fluid approved for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram automatic transmissions. I know this fluid is expensive, so I left you a couple of links from Amazon below in the description for the 2 best ones at affordable prices. Next time you change your transmission fluid, make sure you get the right stuff. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.